Hi students, welcome to our maths class, 7th standard mathematics. Last video we discussed about chapter 2 percentage and simple interest, then how to convert the fraction to percentage, then percentage to fraction, then discusses some grid model and theory sum. Okay, now next topic, how to convert decimal to percentage, percentage to decimal. Okay, are you remember how to convert fraction to percentage? Multiply, listen, fraction to percentage means you multiply with 100. Okay, then percentage to fraction means you divided with 100. Same concept, now you applying this. Okay, listen, converting decimal to percentage. How to convert? First listen, decimal, first sum 0.3. Okay, 0.3, first this decimal change into fraction. Okay, how to write 0.3? How to write ma? 3 divided by 10. Why you write 3 divided by 10? After decimal point you have one digit, so numerator have 10. Okay, so 3 divided by 10. Okay, now listen, you have fraction, you know already. Okay, fraction to percentage means what you do? Multiply with 100 percentage, nothing but 3 by 10 into 100 by 100. So 3 by 10 divided into 100 by 100 written by 100 percentage. Okay, that step only write it here, 3 by 10 into 100 percentage. Okay, now simplifying this, 0 cancelling, so remaining 3 into 10, answer 30 percentage. Okay, same mark, this percentage to decimal or fraction have same concept. Okay, like that, decimal to decimal or fraction convert to percentage means you multiply with 100. Okay, then percentage to decimal or fraction means you divided with 100. Okay, that's all ma. Then next sum 0.025. So first what you do here, decimal change into fraction. First step, decimal change into fraction. Here listen, after decimal point you have 3 digit, so denominator have 1000, so 25 by 1000. So now change into percentage, so what you do? Multiply with 100 percentage, so 25 divided by 1000 into 100 percentage. Now cancelling this loss to 20. Okay, remaining 25 by 10, so 25 divided by 10 percentage, written by 5 by 2 percentage or 2.5 percentage. This 3 answer is correct ma. Okay, this one is simplified to write it fraction, then this one write in decimal point. Okay, so no problem, both 3 answers are same. Okay, then next 1.09, same, what you do? Decimal first change into fraction, so what you do? 109 divided by 100, because here you have after decimal point you have 2 digits, so 109 divided by 100. Next, fraction to fraction to percentage means what you do? Multiply with 100 percentage, so 109 divided by 100 into 100 percentage, so the answer is 109 percentage. Okay, that's all ma. Okay, listen, decimal fraction converting to percentage means nothing but you just multiply with 100 percentage. Okay, decimal and percentage மாற்றணும்னா first decimal to change into fraction, then fraction multiply with 100 percentage, that's all. Okay, then next, converting the given percentage to decimal. As usual, same, what you do? Divided by 100, so 8 percentage, 8 by 100. Listen, fraction அப்படினா இந்த ஸ்டெப்போட ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிடுவோம். Okay, enough for this step. Okay, then decimal means you change into decimal. How to change decimal? Here denominator you have 100 means what you do? Right to left you count 2 digit, then after you put the point. Okay, here you have only 1 digit, so what you do? Before the, that is before the number, add the 0, not change the value, so 0008. So now here you have 20, so what you do? Right to left you count 2 digit, so count 2 digit, here you put the point, so the answer is 0.08. Okay, that's all ma. Then next 58 percentage, same, 58 percentage written by 58 by 100, so the answer is 0.58. Okay, denominator you have 100, so நான் உனக்கு தெரியும் பர்சன்டேஜ்னாவே 100 தான் டிவைட் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ கொடுத்துருக்கிற நம்பரை ரைட்லேருந்து லெஃப்ட்டு 2 digit கவுண்ட் பண்ணி பாயிண்ட் வச்சிட்டோம்னா அவ்வளோதான் வேல்யூ. சரிங்களா? தென் 151 percentage, சேம், 151 divided by 100, you count right to left, you have 2 digits, so answer is 1.51. Okay, then 0.64 percentage, what you do? Decimal given means you, next step you must do it, decimal change into fraction. டெசிமல் கொடுத்துட்டாவே நீ டேரெக்டாக ஃப்ராக்ஷனை ஃபஸ்ட்டு மாற்றணும், அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்றத நம்ம பார்த்துக்கலாம். ஸோ டெசிமல் 0.64, change into 64 by 100 percentage. Okay, listen, 64 by 100 percentage divided by 100 சொல்லியிருக்கோமா ஃப்ராக்ஷன் நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி இதை நம்ம பார்த்தது தான். ஓகேவா, ஜஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணணும், this one change into 64 by 100 divide 100. So next step, 64 by 100, this divide change into multiplication, then take the reciprocal of this one, so 1 by 100. Okay, that only write it here. Okay, now you multiply numerator into numerator, that is 64, then 100 into 100, 10,000. So here you have 40, so here only you have 2 digit. So what you do, before the digit add the 0, 1 2 3 4 5 like this. How many digit you add, not change the value. So here you have 40, so what you do, right to left you count 4 digits. So here you put the point, so 0.0064. So the answer is 0.0064. That's all ma. Same number நம்ம லாஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா, சேம் அதே தான். பட் டெசிமலில் கொடுத்துருக்குது ஒரு ஸ்டெப் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா போட போகிறீங்க. டெசிமல் சேஞ்ச் இன்ட்டு ஃப்ராக்ஷன், தென் ஃப்ராக்ஷன் சேஞ்ச் இன்ட்டு பர்சன்டேஜ். ஓகே, தட்ஸ் ஆல்மா. தென் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஒன் எக்ஸசைஸ் சம். Listen, in a village 70.5% people are literate. Express it as a decimal. Here listen, given percentage, then change into decimal. What you do, now only we discuss the percentage change into fraction or decimal means what you do ma, divide 100. So first you divide the 100. Divide 100. So first what you do, decimal change into fraction, 705 divided by 10. Why you write it here 10 ma? After decimal point you have 1 digit, so 705 divided by 10 percentage. So divided by 100, then change into multiplication, then you get the answer is 705 divided by 1000. So the answer is 0.705. Okay, that's all ma. Then next sum, the weight of two chemical substances are 20.34 gram and 18.78 gram. Write the difference in percentage. Listen, read the question thoroughly. Weight of two chemical substance, ரெண்டு chemical substance ஓட weight கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. பட் write the difference in percentage. difference means subtraction. ஓகே, ரெண்டுக்குள்ள difference கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அது எதில் சொல்லணும், percentageல. So first what you do, this decimal change into percentage. Okay, how to change? As usual, divided by 100. Sorry, multiply by 100. Decimal change into 100 percentage. Okay, so decimal change into fraction, then into 100 percentage. So this one cancelling. So remaining 2034 percentage. Same like the weight of substance 2. Substance 2 oda weight enna 18.78 gram. ஓகே, சாரிம்மா, பர்சன்டேஜ்லேருந்து டெசிமல் மாற்றணும் அப்படின்னா தான் டிவைட் பண்ணணும். இப்போ டெசிமல்லேருந்து பர்சன்டேஜ் தானே மாற்றுறோம். ஸோ என்ன பண்ணணும், மல்டிபிள் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா, மறந்துடாதீங்க. ஓகே, 18.78 gram. ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு திஸ் டெசிமல் சேஞ்ச் இன்ட்டு ஃப்ராக்ஷன். Okay, then you multiply with 100 percentage. So as usual 100 cancelling, remaining you have 1878 percentage. Now what you find, difference in percentage. So difference means subtract this 2. ரெண்டு குள்ள difference கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So subtract this 2. Subtract this 2. Okay, so you get the answer is 156 percentage. Okay, that's all ma. Then listen, find the percentage of shaded region in the following figure. Listen, here given one triangle. Here inside of the triangle, how many triangles you have? 1 2 3 4. 4 triangle you have. How many triangles shaded ma? Only 1. So total part 4, shaded region 1 part. Okay, 1 part. Okay, then fraction of shaded region, first you find out the fraction. Okay, how to find? Totally you have 4 part, then shaded part only for 1. Why you take shaded part ma'am? இங்கே என்ன கொஷின் கேட்டிருக்காங்க, பர்சன்டேஜ் ஆஃப் ஷேடட் ரீஜன். சப்போஸ் நாட் ஷேடட் அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருந்தாங்க, என்ன எழுதுவ 4. டோட்டலி யூ ஹேவ் 3 triangle are not shaded. Okay, so but here ask only question for shaded region. So totally you have 4 part, then only 1 part only shaded. Okay, so first you write into fraction 1/4. Then how to change percentage? Into 100. So cancelling 1 4s are 4, 25 into 4 100. So totally 25 percentage. Okay, percentage of shaded region. Okay, first you read the question thoroughly ma. அதுக்கப்புறம் உனக்கு புரிஞ்சிடும் என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்றது. ஓகேவா, தென் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு எக்ஸசைஸ் சம், homework. Write each of the following percentage as decimal. Then second sum. Then next here listen. In an examination, in a student scored 75% of mark, represent the given percentage in decimal form. கொடுத்துருக்கிற பர்சன்டேஜை நம்ம எதில் மாற்றணும், டெசிமலாக மாற்றணும். You know very well how to change into decimal. Then scoring rate of batsman is 86%. Here also given percentage, you write into decimal. Okay, how to write 86 divided by 100, 0.86. That's all the answer, ma. Then next, height of your flagpole in school is 6.75 meter. Express it percentage. Here, அதாவது ஒரு ஃப்ளாகோடைய போல் வந்து 6.75 சென்டிமீட்டர் ஹைட்டில் இருக்குது அந்த ஃப்ளாகோட அந்த கம்பி. ஓகேவா, அதை என்ன சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னா பர்சன்டேஜில் சொல்லணும். எப்படி சொல்லுவேன்? யூ நோ, ஃபஸ்ட்டு decimal change into fraction, then fraction change into percentage. Okay, that's all. This one have a homework mark. Okay, thank you.